This awesome portable wheel table from 3DMatsUSA is what you need to have an instant table that's easy to set up and tear down, and it's very light and mobile. You don't need any tools to set up. It's made of carbon steel, double layered paint, and it's rust proof. It's super easy to set up. You can cook and eat on this table, but just make sure that you don't have the flames too close to the gas area, just to be safe. It's a perfect additional set to your camping with your car experience. I don't know too much about camping, but it's amazing that you could actually use your car for camping. I thought that you might have to own a trailer or tow a trailer or an RV to really camp with your car. I'm learning with this equipment that you really could just camp with any car. I have a Pathfinder SUV and you can use this for camping. Anybody with a car can go camping with their vehicle. Extend your table space with this hanging caddy. It easily holds bottles, cans, and small accessories. It's heavy duty and made of water repellent nylon. It's stain resistant and easy to clean. Just flush it down with water and let it dry. It's very lightweight and portable and just folds away. It works perfectly together with a 3DMatsUSA foldable wheel table. I'll have the discount code and link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.